Hi everyone, this is a brief demo of my Project 4 Serverless Data Engineering Pipeline. With this project, I reproduced the architecture Serverless Data Engineering cycle. So I first created a SQS queue called Producer, and then I created a table in DynamoDB called Fang with different company names. And then I also created the Lambda function that'll be called every minute with the trigger I set to CloudWatch. So now I can go ahead and run this locally on Cloud9 just to see how the messages are flowing, and you can see here that they're flowing nicely. So to verify if deployment was successful, I can go to the AWS Lambda, and if I just want to hit test, it'll basically do the same thing that I did locally, which is good. Now, if I can check automation, given that we have the Cloud Watcher, we now have the full pipeline working. So now the queue will continue to grow larger without having to do anything, as we see there. So now lastly, I have another Lambda environment called Consumer. And here's the code snippet for that. Essentially, it will grasp Wikipedia entry applies with sentiment analysis, and it writes it to S3. And after applying sentiment analysis, it goes into a bucket I created called Fang Sentiment 1. So if I go into this, you can see all the CSV files that it created, and I can click on, Apple, and go ahead and download that. Open it. And we can see here that it grabs sentiment from Wikipedia, and it found the sentiment to be neutral for that particular company, which was Apple. So that was my demo on Project 4. Thank you for watching.